2017 Harley Slim. Shortened fender, came with the seat. Plans of getting a 200 rear tire. Right now that's a 140. Aftermarket straight pipes. Completely cold, but this thing gets very fast. I mean, very hot, very fast. So in about 30 seconds, you'll see smoke coming off of it. We're hoping that's just temporary, but there you go. There you have it. Sounds amazing. I mean, the video doesn't do any justice if you hear it in person. The thing is pretty loud. If you want to get at your neighbors, this is how you do it. But lucky for me, all my neighbors are cool as fuck. That's another one of my toys. And yeah, I'm loving this thing. It's a beauty. Sexy as hell. You're killing it.